Nice to meet you all again. I'm Ariel, a Malaysia-based photographer. So, what do you think about the new background today? This is our changes for the previous videos. So, today I will talk about, I'll give some tips about, Hi, nice to meet you again. I'm Ariel, a Malaysian-based photographer. So, what do you think about our new background today? This is my gear for the previous few years ago. I keep it, and then this is all is decoration gears. So today we'll talk about how to manage your items in the packaging and how to keep your item in very good condition. So the point of keeping your item in a good condition, first of all, you have longer shelf life or using the items. Second, your item will have better cosmetic for second-hand value. Thirdly, your item can stay with you quite long, and then you can sell it off as a second-hand item, or you can get it as second-hand item from some hobbyist or some photographer itself. So do take care of item, because photography gears and anything related with the camera gears, accessory, etc. have a second-hand value compared to some hobby around what like toys, etc. that maybe have the same value or higher. So keep your item in a good condition is quite a good way of giving you a better photography experience. So talk about photography experience. This is a way of managing and how I do my things in a keep my things in a proper way. First of all, if your bag have original coming with the pouch, do use the pouch together here like this. So this is a Sekonic flashmate light meters. It originally come with a pouch, so every time I'll keep the Sekonic light meter inside the pouch. So as you can see here, the Sekonic light meter have been with me like almost 6 months, but the condition is still look like new. So you see, by preserving your light meters in a good condition, you make you have a better last you even longer for the gear itself. So this is the way I keep it. Let's say if your gears itself doesn't have any come with the do not include with the pouch itself, like this color checkers, I use like the Canon include a pouch. I'm not sure what pouch is this from Canon. I'm not sure what is the item that used for this pouch, but I saw it and then I use it to keep my color checker passport here. This color checker is been with me for roughly past 1 year. So as you can see, the condition of this color checker is still like new. All condition is like new. So this is good for yourself, because you keep your things is quite organized, and then your item in a good condition, so it lasts you longer. And color checker, you must very take care of it, because some photography gear is quite fragile and then quite dedicated. So do keep it in a good condition so that it won't affect the effect that you wanted. Because the color checker, you don't use the hands to touch it, or use the any detergent to clean it, because it will affect the color itself. So another thing is, if you have budget itself, this one is a pouch that is not included in this set, but you put everything in nicely and organizedly, it will look like this. So this is how I keep my item organized. First of all, you can see this is the diffuser of the camera for the flash one, and then this also the same. This one is some of the I forgot what is it. So some cable ties, nicely, neatly organized. If you don't have the very dedicated pouch, try to use this kind of ziplock bag to keep everything in neat condition. You see, all bag item in neat condition. So you won't be messy and then you're easy to find your item in a very organized way. See here. So by organizing an item in a neat and tidy way, you will less time for searching it, and then you have lesser time of item getting missing or lost during shootings. I have experience of myself that before I do this kind of organization and arranging the item neatly and tidy, I get a lot of time I missing a lot of small items, like example this kind of diffusers, memory cards, battery, clothing, and this kind of small tag. So I keep it all this in a neat way so that item won't be missing, and then you won't be spending a lot of time searching it and buying it, because a lot of time it's not about the costing of buying this item, it's just about time of searching it, because when item is not around you have a lot of time to search it. So it's quite frankly it's a not a good thing for a photographer when we are using for working. Sorry, that's my cats. Okay, so continue of what about this topic today. If you really don't have the budget itself, try to use this kind of small pouch. This is cost around 10 ringgit, but it's quite a small you can reliable and small pouch that you can put a lot of things inside. So keep all your things inside neat and tidy, and then put everything inside the bag, so that next time when you're searching for it, just all in the bag, and then you won't be missing it. Okay, so hope you all learned something from this video today. So we'll see you next time. Please like, subscribe me, and leave a comment below if you have any question regarding how to managing your